Hello everyone, this is my Pelikan fountain pen and the model is Pelikan M600. The pen is in a medium nib and I like the color, the red color with black stripe, and it has a gold trim. On the top there is a pelican bird symbol of pelican logo with its cheek, and the clip is almost identical, and in my personal opinion it symbolizes the ancient sword like pattern in the battlefield used by soldiers or fighters. And as we all know that pen is mightier than sword, so clip is almost identical to that sword pattern. Now coming to the ring of the pen, that it is written that Pelikan Sovereign Germany. The pen is made in Germany and it has a very good kind of the feelings when I hold the pen, and it is a piston filler. The pen has a system of piston filler, and on the piston there is also a double ring in gold trim. The back of the pen is round in shape, almost round in shape, and it is a very lightweight pen, not very heavy. As I write for a long time, I do not feel heavy while writing, and it does not give me pain in my hand. Now coming to the writing section, there is a very little thread, not very long, not too very short. I usually write by post the cap behind the pen. Now the nib is 14 karat gold nib in two-tone. There is also a logo of pelican on the nib, and the nib is in medium. M is written as the symbol of medium tipped, and there is a very beautiful design on the nib. I like the design very much. It's a very beautiful design, and the feed is also good, and it always remains wet. If I do not use it for a week or 2 weeks, but it remains wet for the remaining time. Now coming to the writing quality of the pen, it is a very good writer too, as it is a German nib and very wet nib. Coming to the writing quality of the pen, it's Pelikan M600 in medium and 14 karat gold nib. As you can see, it is a very wet nib and very juicy wet nib. Very wet nib indeed, and I like its strokes, its down strokes and its the side strokes. Just zoom it a bit. You can see the ink of the pen. Very juicy nib and a slight feedback, but it does not harm the writing quality or writing style. It is a very enjoyable feedback while writing.